Welcome back. Always a source of invaluable information, Master Joseph Yu is no stranger to Feng Shui life. For today's show, we've invited him back to answer 10 of your most frequently asked questions.
Qi is simply existence. It consists of matter, energy, and maybe some other things that our present-day science cannot recognize. That is Qi. No. Qi is actually quite neutral. Qi can be defined as having certain characteristics. When we don't like certain characteristics, we say this is bad Qi. When we love certain characteristics, we say that this is good Qi. Different people will react to the same type of Qi in a different way, but this we will have to go to the finer points. In general, there is a general consensus of opinion, certain Qi are good. You see, when the Qi brings wealth, is it good or is it bad? It is good. When Qi brings you romance, when Qi brings you good relationship, it is good. But for some people, this may not be good. So it depends. The 5 elements are actually the 5 different types of Qi that prevails at different times of the year, at different times of a longer period, a longer cycle. And the 5 elements we employ words that we are familiar with. We are familiar with water, we are familiar with wood, metal, earth, and fire. So we use these words just to bring out the characteristic of the 5 different types of Qi. It depends on what you consider destiny is. To me, destiny is a wide path. We are confined to walk on a certain path, but the path is wide enough for us to make our own choices. So in a way, we can, in a way, we can't. In Feng Shui, we say that water is responsible for wealth. And so the proper use of water in the proper location, coming in the proper way, going in the proper direction, will bring wealth. Sometimes a marriage cannot be saved. Sometimes it can be. Well, using Feng Shui, we can save a marriage, but sometimes we can at least bring the marriage to a peaceful ending. There are 2 binary concepts. One is stable, the other is active. So we give them names. One is yin, the other is yang. And to give you a very good example is this. With the yin part, now let's say you consider the yin part as an egg and the yang part as a sperm. When they come together and fuse together, you get life. For wealth, if the correct placement is there, then we can expect this to happen within 2 weeks, or at most 2 months. But for health, the change may be gradual. But you can see the improvement. It is art, because different people can have different ways of presenting an appreciation of the practices.
And that's just